a little bit of a clearance issue due to these knots on the side. As you can see, that one right there needs to be trimmed closer to the timber. It's taking up a lot of space. It's causing the far side to be pushed out too far, which is making it a little bit too wide for the head to pass through. Over here on this side, I've got the same problem. This knot right here needs trimmed back flush to the timber in order for the saw head to pass. And once we trim both sides, I'll probably go ahead and flip this thing to where our flat face is on the bottom of the mill and work our way down. I'm not sure if I've explained this before in previous videos, but I'm going to show you guys this auto up feature on the sawmill. What I'm doing here is squaring up the pith so that I've talked about that many a time, so the pith will be captured inside of one of the slabs and not inside of two. So what you can do is go ahead and get it squared up where you want it, even though if it's on the bottom right here, which is no big deal, got a lot of wood to go on top of it. So you square it up. You come back here on the sawmill, get it turned back on the control head, and you set your auto up to the same thickness you want to cut, which is 2 1/4 inches. So you go ahead and come over here, hit the button, and it's going to raise it up in those intervals until you're ready to start making your first cuts. And then you just push the auto down button, which is right here, and you're good to go, and it's going to come down to where you started at. It's one of the best features on this Accu Set is the auto up, and also gives you a good reference point to start at. So judging by that, we'll start cutting right here. That'll be the first cut that we make. And as we cut all the way down through here, the pith will be right where we started at and centered right in the middle of one slab. Well, check this one out, guys. This is a nice, just monster walnut slab, 8 feet long, 9 1/4. The widest point right here is 27 inches. We got a little bit of crotch figure showing up right here on those limbs. As we get down and make about 2 or 3 more cuts, I've already made 1 more actually, we should start seeing that crotch figure show up a lot more right here and down here toward the bottom. But this is just a nice walnut slab. It's got a lot of character in it. It's got some knots here in the middle. A little bit of a defect right here. Some epoxy will clear that up. The sapwood on this side, and what's odd about this, the sapwood is only about 1.5 inches. And over here we got 3 inches of sapwood. Very uneven. A nice piece of walnut though. This would make a nice tabletop or a desk. And just hard to beat, guys. Premium stuff down here. 24 inches wide. Let's throw some water on it. And it will surprise you how good something like this looks with water, even though there's not a lot of figure going on.